Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Hello my students. How are you today? Are you fine? Alhamdulillah. Okay. Today we have English first term. Our lesson is Unit 4, Chores, Finding Out Time, pages 26 to 27. My name is Badr Swaidan, with me teacher Fawaz Al-Aqil. Okay. What you will learn today? You will learn how to list a number of chores, make a question and answer, talk about chores, calculate scores of how often you do chores, compare results to decide what kind of helper at home. Okay, so open your books on page 26. Page 26. Okay, we have finding out time. So open your book, page 26, 2 and 6. Okay, number 1, listen, say and do. So you will listen, say and do. Okay, so what chores do you do? What chores? What does mean chores? Okay, chores, when you do something at home, okay, this is chores. In Arabic means what? أعمال منزلية. Okay, chores. Okay, now what chores do you do? What chores do you do? Okay, so number 1, we have now a bowl of fish, okay, and we have someone who's feeding the fish. So what is this? This is I feed the fish. I feed the fish. Okay, so we have fish here. So I feed fish. Excellent. So this is the first one, number 1 of the chores. Okay, number 2, we have a girl here and she's what? Yes, she has some dishes and she says, I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. So we have a dish here and we have some dishes over there. So these are what? Dishes. So I wash the dishes. Excellent. Okay, number 3. We have a boy here and he is what? Yes, this is his bedroom. Okay, so he says, I clean up my room. I clean up. Okay, so he's what? Cleaning up the room. Cleaning up the room. Excellent. Okay, number 4. We have a girl and she's carrying what? Some trash. Okay, so she says, I take out the trash. So these are the trashes. So we have trash. Okay, after that, number 5, we have a man here. He's what? What is he doing? Yes, he says, I set the table. I set the table. So he has a table and they will what? They will eat. Okay, so they set the table before start eating. Okay, before starting. So he put the fork, he put the spoons, the dishes, okay, so they can start eating. Excellent. Okay, after that, number 6, we have a woman here. She's carrying some bags. So she says, I go shopping. I go shopping to pay and get something. So she goes shopping. She goes to the mall, to the supermarket, okay, any shop. Okay, number 7, we have a woman here. She's what? Yes, I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. So she's what? Using the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so this is a vacuum cleaner. She uses it to clean the floor. So I vacuum the floor. The floor. This is the floor. Okay, underneath me. This is the floor. Excellent. Okay, number 8, we have a girl here and she has some clothes. Okay, some clothes. So I fold the laundry. I fold. What does it mean fold? Yes, fold it to make it in a appropriate way. So I fold the laundry. So she what? She cleans what? The clothes, and then after that she fold it. Okay, so they can put it in the wardrobe. for example. Excellent. So I fold the laundry. The laundry. Excellent. Okay, now you will listen, okay, to each sentence, to each one. So the first one here, let's listen to it.
I feed the fish. I feed the fish. I wash the dishes. I clean up my room. I clean up my room. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I set the table. I set the table. I go shopping. I go shopping. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry.
Okay, now let's read it together. So, number one, I feed the fish. Say it with me. I feed the fish. Number two, I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. Number three, I clean up my room. I clean up my room. Number four, I take out the trash. I take out the trash. Number five, I set the table. I set the table. Number six, I go shopping. I go shopping. Number seven, I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. Number eight, I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. Excellent. Now, let's listen to it again.
I feed the fish. I wash the dishes. I clean up my room. I take out the trash. I set the table. I go shopping. I vacuum the floor. I fold the laundry.
Okay. Now, number two, small talk. Ask your partner and get the real answers. So, now you will answer by yourself with your partner. Okay. So, for example, number one, what chores do you do? You will write what I, then choose anything you do it in your at home. Okay, so you can say clean up my room. You can say fold the laundry. Okay, choose anyone here. Okay, number two, do you blank to أيضا to? Okay, so you can choose anything here. For example, set the table. Do you set the table to? Okay, yes, I do sometimes. Okay, I do sometimes, not always, not never, sometimes. Okay, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. Okay, number three, what chores does your sister do? Your sister, not you, not me, your sister. Okay, again, what chores does your sister do? She goes shopping, for example. She goes shopping. Or she, yes, clean the dishes. Excellent. Okay. Number four, does she take out the trash, for example? Okay. Choose anyone you want. So, does she take out the trash? Yes, she does sometimes. Okay. She does sometimes. Okay. Now, page 27. Turn to page 27. We have challenge time. Challenge time. Okay, number three. Check your chores. Check your chores. Okay, what you're doing at home. Okay, can you check your answers and find out your score? Score means what? نقاط. Okay, can you find out your scores? So, if you put yes, yes, okay, I do it, you will get what? 2 points. If sometimes you do it, you will get what? 1 point. If you don't do it, okay, so you will not get any score. Okay, so this is 0 if you don't do it. If sometimes do it, you will get 1. If always do it, you will get 2 points. Okay, now let's start. Okay, do you feed the fish? Do you feed the fish? If yes, choose anything you want. Okay, anything you want. If you choose, okay, yes, you will get 2 marks, 2 points. If sometimes, you will get 1 point. If you don't do it, you will not get any point. Okay, now, do you feed the fish? Do you feed it? If you do, and you can put yes. If sometimes you do it, you can put tick here. If you don't do it, you will put a mark here. Okay? If you do it sometimes, okay, sometimes like here. Okay? This is the first one. Okay. Number 2, do you set the table? Do you set the table? If yes, put here. If sometimes, here. If you don't do it, put a mark here. What do you think? You don't do it, for example? Okay, you can choose this if you don't do it. Number 3, do you wash the dishes? If you do, always, okay, that's good. Excellent. This is 2 points here. Do you vacuum the floor? Do you vacuum the floor? If you do, put here. If sometimes, here. If you don't do it, put here. For example, sometimes, okay, that's good. Okay, number 5, do you clean up your room? Clean up your room. If you do, put here. If sometimes, here. If you don't do it, put here. For example, this is my bedroom, so I clean it all the time. For example, number 6, do you go shopping? Do you go shopping? No, maybe my father goes shopping. I don't. Okay, so you can put it like this. After that, number 7, do you take out the trash? Do you take out the trash? Okay, if you do it, you can put here, sometimes here, if you don't, here. So choose anything. For example, okay, number 8, do you fold the laundry? Do you fold the laundry? If you, yes, sometimes, no, what do you think? For example, okay, maybe sometimes. Okay, now what we will do here, we will calculate, we will take the points here. So we have yes, 1, 2, 3, so this is what? 6 points. We have 1, 2, 3 here, and we have 3 points. 1, 2, okay, but I don't get any points. So how many points I have? 9, yes. 6 plus 3 equals what? Equals 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, now the total here is what? Is 9. Okay, so 13 or more, if you have 13 or more, I am a great helper at home. Great, okay? 9 to 12, I'm a good, okay, good helper at home. If you have 5 to 8, I'm average helper at home. But if you have 0 to 4, I'm poor helper at home. You don't help at all at home. Okay, so if you have 13 or more, that's excellent. Okay, so you have what? You have to help your parents, your mother and your father. Okay, don't let the house or the home alone. You have to what? To help your parents. You can what? Take the trash. You can take it and put it there. Don't wait for your parents to ask you. No, do it. Okay, do it. Don't wait for any orders. Okay, so you can do any chores at home without asking. Okay, and this is a must for the children. Okay, now on page 163, goal 25, turn to page 163. Okay, so number 1, listen and practice. Listen and practice. Okay, we have 2 women here, A, B. A and B. Okay, A says, what chores do you do? What chores do you do? Okay, so B says, I feed the fish. I feed the fish. I have fish and she feeds the fish. Okay, again A says, do you take out the trash? 2. Do you take out the trash? 2. Yes, I do sometimes. I do sometimes. Okay. After that, what chores does your sister do? Your sister, not you, not you, your sister. Okay. So, what chores does your sister do? She folds the laundry. She folds the laundry. Okay. Does she vacuum the floor too? Vacuum the floor too? Yes, she does sometimes. Okay. She does sometimes. Now, read it with me. What chores, say it with me. What chores do you do? I feed the fish. Do you take out the trash too? Yes, I do sometimes. What chores does your sister do? She folds the laundry. Does she vacuum the floor too? Yes, she does sometimes. Okay, now read and match with the pictures. So we have some pictures here, okay, some chores, and we have some sentences here. What we will do, we will match. Okay, so I feed the fish. Where is it? Is it A, B, C? Where is it? Yes, it is A. Excellent. So we will match it to it. Okay, so this is A. This is a feed fish. I set the table. Which one? Which letter here? Yes, it's where? Set the table. Excellent, B. So this is setting the table. Number 3. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. Where is it? Which one? E. Excellent. So we have this. Okay. I vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Which one? A, B, C, D. Where is it? F. Excellent. So we have F. This is F. Okay. I clean up my room. Clean up my room. G. Excellent. That's right. Okay. So we have G here. Okay. Number 6. I go shopping. Where is shopping? Going shopping? This is which letter? H. Excellent. So we have H here. Okay. After that, we have I take out the trash. Which letter? Yes, D. That's right. So we have D here. Last one, I fold the laundry. Which letter? C. That's right. So we have C here. And this is for number 8. For number 8. Okay. Now on page 164. 164. Listen and write always, sometimes, or never. So always, دائما. Always. Sometimes, أحيانا. Never, أبدا. Okay. So always, sometimes, never. And the correct verb. Okay. Now we have 8 sentences. You will listen and tell me which one is here, which verb is here. Okay, so let's listen to it.
I feed the fish.
What is the word here? Okay, feed. Excellent. Okay, feed. So you can what? Put anything here. Always, sometimes, or never. Okay, put it here. So I sometimes, for example, sometimes. Okay, feed the fish. Sometimes. Okay, number 2. I blank the table. What is it? Listen.
I set the table.
Set. Excellent. Okay. And you can choose always, or sometimes, or never. Number 3.
I wash the dishes.
What is the word here? Wash. Excellent. And also you can choose any one of these. 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. Number 4.
I vacuum the floor.
What is the verb here? Vacuum. Excellent. We have vacuum. Number 5, I blank up my room. Let's listen.
I clean up my room.
What is the word here? Excellent. We have clean up my room. Number 6,
I go shopping.
what is the verb? Go. Excellent. Number 7, I blank out the trash.
I take out the trash.
Take out. That's right. Number 8,
I fold the laundry.
I fold. Excellent. So I fold the laundry. So now what you will do, you will calculate the total points. So if you have if you have always, you will get 2 points. Okay? If you have sometimes, 1 point. If you say never, you will get 0 points. So sometimes here, that means what? 1 point. Okay? If you choose always here, 2. Never, 0. Okay? So you can what? Calculate the points here. Write them here. If you have 13 or more, you're great helper. 9 to 12, good. 0 to 4, poor. 5 to 8, average. Okay? So this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.